Hi traders, in this video we are going to unpack what a short squeeze is in forex trading and why sharp reversals after big downtrends often hurt short sellers the most. I'll walk through the basic definition, show you how a squeeze builds, and explain what it means for your risks if you're trading against strong moves. Let's consider what a short squeeze is. A short squeeze is a rapid price rally that forces traders who are short to buy back their positions, which adds even more buying pressure and drives price higher. It usually happens after a big decline when many traders are leaning to the short side and a fresh wave of buying suddenly hits the market. Because shorts can only exit by buying, they are rushed to cover at 1224 for the upside move, squeezing them out of the market. Let's consider a basic short squeeze example. Considering URUSD pair grinding lower for weeks. So, for example, this was grinding lower for weeks, with more and more traders shorting as the downtrend matures. If a surprise positive news event or a shift in sentiment triggers strong buying, price can spike higher, breaking through resistance and triggering stop loss orders on clustered short positions. As those stops fire and discretionary shorts decide to cut, their buy to cover orders help extend the rally, turning what started as a bounce into a full squeeze. Now, what does this imply in forex trading? Short squeezes remind you that crowded trades, especially late shorts in a mature downtrend, carry extra risks if sentiment flips or key levels break. Watching positioning, major support and resistance, and signs of slowing downside momentum can help you avoid being trapped on the wrong side of a squeeze, or at least size your risks more conservatively. You can read more about short squeezes in Forex and how these sharp reversals develop using the link in the description below. If this gave you a clearer picture of why some rallies feel squeezed rather than smooth, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with any squeeze examples you've traded, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.